Gold yet again traded bullish for the day and has achieved higher highs at 26.58, 27.58.75, while silver erased some of the gains from yesterday and traded bearish yet with modest bearishness. So what to expect now with the US session from metals? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis, proper reasoning for a particular price point, a strong resistance support levels, such that you can trade profitably every day. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first. Gold followed with silver. See, gold on the hourly charts, if you look at the formation, rise, retracement, bigger rise, bigger could be the retracement, what it may try to achieve. It can try to move towards 2740, but then you have to notice that 2740.38 is the strongest support for the day. And right now, also, if you look at 2748.50, this has become the first support, 46 the second, and 44.45 the third. So I will say that first thing is, if you're taking a selling entry here, you have to be cautious till towards 2744. Prices can reverse, and then below that 2740.38. As long as it stays above 2740 and 38, we should not be treating gold as bearish. We have seen it always taking the support before bouncing back and creating higher highs. So yes, it can move towards the 20 period and bounce back. Stochastic has dropped here, MACD crossing over here, bearish sign it is. It can continue here on the downside for RSI looking downwards as well. This is again sign of slight bearishness. Coming to 2 hour charts, if you look at the 2 hour charts, see, look at these two candles symmetrical. All the gains erased by this single candle. Now it is trying to move downwards. I will wait for a push from here. Once the prices breaks below 2748, we can see there will be further down move here, which can take it towards 2744, 2740, 38 zone. Possibilities there. Bigger the rise and stronger the retracement is what you can expect. Right now also, if you see, this is trading in this bullish channel. The lows of this channel somewhere here at around 2744. The stochastic dropping sharp, MACD crossing over here for sell, trading without any divergence, which suggests that neither the bulls nor the bears are in control here. RSI has dropped and suggests your slight bearishness coming to 3 hour. If you look at 3 hour charts, see, look at this pattern here. Two candles bullish, then a reversal, and then a sharper drop has appeared. Now two bullish candles, this could lead to another similar formation where the prices can move towards higher lows, which means it can keep moving towards 2744, which should be a good support. And any drop below 2740.38 is a sign of bearishness, which can take the prices towards 2730, and any drop below 2730 is a sign of reversal. As long as today gold stays above 2730, do not treat this as bearish. It can bounce back strong. Stochastic looking down, MACD trading bearish here with modest bearishness rather. RSI has dropped here. Coming to 4 hour. Now if you look at 4 hour charts, the preceding candle could be the one which can confirm the reversal. However, for this to confirm the reversal, first the prices need to trade below 2748 and then 2744. If these two levels are taken, then we can expect similar size of candle, which can take the prices in fact towards 2740.38. Now see, too much of divergence of the price from the 20 period moving average calls for it to converge. Where is the 20 period sitting at? 2730.32 zone. And see, the stronger the rise, the stronger the retracement. The stronger the rise, stronger could be the retracement here. Be watchful of this. Stochastic has dropped, MACD trading with very minimal divergence, though it is already on the sell side. RSI is staying overbought. Coming to daily, if you look at daily charts, it is indecision candle which it is forming here. It has hit the highs, it can hit the lows, and again come back and close the day at around these levels, 2748.50. These are certainly good levels, good resistance and support levels for gold. For also, any closing of day at around 2748.50 will confirm that tomorrow possibly it can again lead to a bigger bullish candle. Yes, rise, step, and then again a rise. While if it trades below 2730, we can say this becomes a reversal, and then I will look forward to sharper correction. Right now the move is not very much supportive of such a stronger drop. However, if you look at the divergence of the price from the 20 period, too much of divergence calls for it to converge, and then it can lead towards the bottom of the channel, which is right now sitting at around 2700 and 2680 levels. The stochastic here is overbought, while the MACD, if you look at it, is trading with divergence. It is looking upwards, staying bullish. RSI is overbought. So time for me to give you the trading levels. so that you can profit. Before I provide you the levels, if you also want to trade profitably, join my signals channel, connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. Or and those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, considering I will now recommend a buy at 2754 levels. Expect 2754, 56 is going to remain a good resistance. If it breaches this zone, we can expect it to move towards 2760, 2764, and then 2771.5. These are going to remain greater resistances for the day. Though looking at the move, it appears that it is going to stay in a narrow zone. Neither bulls nor bears might take the charge today. While on the downside, yes, if you see it is staying below 2747.5, or rather I will say 2748 itself, you can take a sell entry, but this has to be with extreme caution. 2746, 2744, 2740.38, very good support zone exists here. First at 2746.44, then 2740.38. If at any point of time gold trades below 2738, stay short for 2730.32, and then below that we can look forward to a greater correction where 2720 can also be get breached, and we can see a move towards 2700. Chances for such a strong move appears less. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver. Now see silver, what it did today, it has given a gap down slightly. Gap is available here at around 34.85.90 zone, and we have seen it dipping again. Lower highs are seen, and now it is consolidating here. Wait for it to stay now below 34.50, 34.40 levels. Now 34.50, 34.40 levels are going to remain one good support zone, below which we can expect 34.30, 34.20, which is going to remain the strongest support. Any draw below 34.20 is a sign of bearishness, taking it till towards 34 or 33.80 levels. Stochastic dropping here. MACD is bearish and the RSI has dropped as well. Signs are slightly bearish, but I can see a very good support coming in for silver here at around 34.50 level. Look at this, it has formed a very good base here, and see three bearish candles, one bounce back, then retracement, now trying to cover up. But I will say as long as now it stays below 34.85.90, I will not recommend you to buy. As long as it stays below this, we have to remain extra cautious. What has happened here, it is retraced, waited for the 20 period moving average to climb up. 20 period moving average sitting at around 34.40 levels should be a very good support. Stochastic has dropped. MACD trading with divergence is staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI has dropped as well. And on the 3 hour chart, similar is the observation. See a reversal, one bearish candle, then you can say it is just consolidating. It has to now break below 34.45, and then you can expect 34.20 levels. Probably below 34.20 is where more bearishness should prevail. What is happening here? See, one point you should note, that silver has already breached this channel and it is already in the sell side. However, I can see some support coming in here on the downside. Thus, as long as now it respects 34.40.50 zone, we have to remain extra cautious. While we also know that on the upside, the resistances are pretty strong. The stochastic has dropped, MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards, and it has lot much of room available on the downside. RSI is also just coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to the 4 hour, likewise on the 4 hour chart, see this is important. Look at the resistance it is getting at around 34.80.90 zone, which should be a greater resistance zone. It has to break this. And the second thing you can look is the white space available on the downside. Yes, it has tried once, failed to do so. Again, a stronger rise is seen now again. But remember, the gap this time is too much, and thus a possible down move cannot be denied here. And that is why I say, as long as now silver today respects 34.80.90 zone, we need not buy silver, because we have already seen some stronger bullish move for last 3 to 4 sessions, and thus now this has come to a caution zone. Though it is not that it cannot break further, but yes, we have to exercise extra caution. Stochastic has dropped. MACD has crossed over after a stronger rise. Now it is trading with divergence, which is a slight bearish sign. Just two candles away, which means the current candle can also reverse and it can drop sharply. Be watchful of this. RSI also staying overbought. Coming to daily. On the daily charts, what has happened? See a consolidation, then first breakout candle. Today it is shied away from breaking on the downside, and on the upside the double top levels are proving out to be greater resistance. It is very important for silver to break beyond 34.80, or in fact 35. This zone between 34.80 to 35 is going to remain critical for silver. A breakout beyond this should bring more bullishness. Then we can expect 34.20, 25, 34 50 levels as the next, sorry, 35 2025 and 3550 levels as the next target. However, one should notice too much of divergence calls for it to converge, but remember the point that silver has already consolidated and this is the second round of, this can continue here for a while before retracing and moving towards this zone at 33. But right now it is not showing any such signs. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI overbought here. So looking at, one thing is very clear, a buying entry today in silver is above 34 80 90 zone, where you can expect 3505, 3520, 25 and then 3550 levels here. Yes, it can give you a stronger move breaking beyond 3480 35 zone, which is going to remain a greater resistance. While on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3450 40 zone, which is going to be a very good support zone. Below this, you can expect 3420 25 as the next target, and below this 34 3380 should be seen. Below this, a stronger down move can be expected, which can take the prices below 3350 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Do not miss to watch every day the first update with the Asia and Europe session. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.